so this is about 3 hours after a 2-level lumbar fusion with pedicle screws, rods, and a cage. So I'll show you the X-ray. How do you feel? Can I see?
Good, very good.
So you know when you came in, you were in pain. They said you were kind of
hand to one side. It feels
struggling
strange.
with pain. Yeah. Can I see you walking? Right. Perfect. And how do you feel posture-wise?
Brilliant, best I've ever been.
Really?
Yeah.
Much straighter?
Not that to one side.
Yeah, because it's been like
And not
that.
only that, I'm not slenched over, I can feel myself vertical.
Well, I'll tell you why. If you just come up there. So that's the operation. So this is a 2-level lumbar fusion. So you can see we've corrected the posture, changed the discs, put the screws to stabilize, and yeah, there you are. So 3 hours after that operation, as a day case, you'll be going home shortly, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Yep.
So you're feeling all right? No weakness or anything in the legs?
No, I've got pins and needles in this toe, but apart from
That's
that,
the side we put the cages in
yeah,
from.
so
Good.
apart from that, absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic.
Hope.